1 Minute Italian, Lesson 8.
Hello.
Hello, it's Lorraine and Gianluca here from the Radiolingua Network, and welcome to another lesson of 1 Minute Italian. In this lesson, we're going to be learning to count from 1 to 10.
I think the clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Gianluca is going to say the numbers slowly and pause in between each one. I'll say the English first, and then Gianluca will say the Italian. After each number, you should repeat it, trying to make sure your pronunciation is as close as possible to Gianluca's. 1,
Uno,
2,
due,
3,
tre,
4,
quattro,
5,
cinque,
6,
sei,
7,
sette,
8,
otto,
9,
nove,
10.
dieci.
Well done. Let's repeat them again and we'll group them together. 1, 2, 3,
Uno, due, tre,
4, 5, 6,
quattro, cinque, sei,
7, 8, 9, 10.
sette, otto, nove, dieci.
Time's up. This is, of course, lesson number.
Otto.
And can you work out what the next lesson will be?
That's right. It's lesson number nove.
That's all for this week. Next week we'll be asking, how are you?
Grazie, arrivederci.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.